Hello everyone, this is Steve. In this session, we will try to install the Genian NAC Polish server. This is the task network diagram. The Polish server will be installed on the physical server, and I will install Genian OS using USB booting disk. The Polish server will connect to the VLAN 10 network, and the Polish server will use the 172.29.10.200 IP address. I will connect the USB booting disk to the physical server and turn it on. When the computer is finished the booting, now we see the Polish server plus network sensor and network sensor selection screen. We will install Polish server plus network sensor. Select one and press enter. It takes some time. Copy the Genian OS from USB booting disk to physical server. We recommend the storage and list 128, but it could be installed. Yes. Select the install command I and then press the enter. Polish server install is in progress. And eject the booting disk and reboot. and enter. This is the setup screen after reboot. First, create a UMUI and SSH connection, account, and password. Set up the system zone and set up the NTP server. You can set it according to your region. Set the NTP server. Management interface 0. Specify the connection type for the interface. The current configuration does not require the arrow to the 1Q trunk port, so enter N. Set the Polish server IP address. Set the name mask and gateway. And DNS. Make sure all settings are correct. If yes, click Y. And you make the privilege exec mode password en. All settings are complete. Try connecting to the web console to see if the settings are working well. The connection address is https Polish server IP address 8443 port number and /MC2. enter the ID and password you just created. License agreement, yes, I agree. Finish it. Okay. You are logged in normally. In this session, we learned about the installing a police server. In the next session, we will learn about installing the single network sensor.